Hey guys, Quality Alerts here. EAS Compilation number 5. I hope you guys enjoy it. I actually missed two of the alerts. I missed the first one and I missed the last one. The first one because I was in the shower again. And then the last one because my phone ran out of storage. So hopefully with the alerts that I give you, it'll be a nice video. We almost got a tornado warning, but it did not happen this time. It did not have the strength at the end to turn into a tornado warning. So I hope you guys enjoy these 3 alerts, EAS Compilation number 5.
Okay, context for what you're about to see. There was a severe thunderstorm warning issued for, let's see here, Colusa and Sutter, California at, I can't read that, 5:37, right? I was in the shower. I did not hear that alert go off, and I was in the shower, which is in that bathroom right there. I come out of the shower, right? I still have my towel on. I go over to my 12262, and because I heard a beep, and I saw this light flicker for a split second, and I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. Let me tune to the weather, and the weather, there's nothing there. It just is reading the forecast. And so I turn it off, and I walk away. And then my EAR-10 goes off. And then my 262 goes off. And then everything's going off, and I'm still in my towel. I grab my phone, and I start recording, trying to stay the heck out of frame, right? And so I put my camera down, and then I go to put on some shorts. And then realize that I forgot to put on a shirt as well. So there's going to be a couple things blurred in this video. My bad. Hope you enjoy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Sutter. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Colusa County and central California, northwestern Sutter County and central California.
What the heck?
Southwestern Butte County and northern California until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sycamore, or 17 miles southeast of Maxwell, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour.
Hang on.
Quarter-size hail.
Holy crap.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Colusa, Tudor, Sycamore, Colusa National Wildlife, Pennington, Meridian, Tisdale, and Sutter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: California,
Holy crap.
Colusa, and Sutter. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcast on the radio station KAC 50.
What the heck?
62.55 megahertz from Fairplay in El Dorado County, and on radio station WWS 67 and 162.40 megahertz from Wolf Mountain in Lehigh County. Here is an urgent message
Oh
from
my
the
God.
Weather Service for the following counties in California.
Yes, I know.
Colusa, and Sutter. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
For how long?
southeastern Colusa County and
45 minutes.
northwestern Sutter County and central California.
Wow, okay.
Western Butte County.
Another one! Stop!
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte and Glen. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm
My
warning
mom's
for
asleep, bro.
Butte County in northern California, northeastern Glen County, and central California until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Orbend, or 11 miles.
Whoa.
Moving north at 20 miles per hour.
Oh my god.
Quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
Another severe thunderstorm warning just issued, bro.
Locations impacted
What the heck?
Hamilton City. For your protection, move to an
The way he said
interior room
Hamilton
on the
City.
lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California, Butte and Glenn. You're listening to
Bruh.
the
There.
National Weather Service simulcast.
A third one! Bro.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Butte, Colusa, and Glenn.
Bro.
The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Colusa County and central California, southwestern
Oh
Butte
my
County,
god.
and northern
STO,
California,
shut up!
eastern Glenn County, and central California until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Butte City, or 16 miles east of Willows, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Wow, that's fast.
Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Oroville, Palermo, Glen, Thermalito, South Oroville, Butte City, Aston, Durham, and Biggs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California, Butte, Colusa, and Glenn. Here is an urgent
My guy.